In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cursor moving with shift lock problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, as you can see, I cannot replicate this problem at the moment, but this problem happens when you go into shift lock and your cursor is still moving about. So if you try to move your camera fast, sometimes your cursor will go over all the way to the edge, and it is overall very annoying. So this problem seems to be attributed to a Windows update. Because of this, we have to look into temporary fixes. Eventually, Microsoft should release an update that addresses this, and all that you would have to do is update Windows, but as it stands right now, it seems like it started happening around 2 to 3 months ago. So the main solution that works for most people is to disable the game bar. So you have to go over to the Windows settings on the gaming category and then go into game bar. You can simply search for game bar on the Windows search prompt and you will be able to find the settings. In here, make sure that this is off. Now the overlay will go away, restart your game, and then try going into shift lock. Now, the reason why this solution can be very annoying to some people is because a lot of people actually use the game bar to play together with their friends and party up, so they have access to voice chat and other features. But if you don't care about the game bar, this is going to be the best temporary solution that works for most people. Alternatively, if you don't want to turn off the game bar or if it doesn't work, then the next option that you have is to completely uninstall Roblox. So all that you would have to do in this case is to uninstall the game completely, go over to their website and download it again. Once you download the game, restart your computer and then see if it works. So go over to their website, choose the option to download, and then try again. If it is still giving you trouble, then sadly there are no known other solutions. It's either disabling the game bar or reinstalling the game completely. Besides this, like I said, we simply have to wait until Microsoft releases an update that addresses this problem. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cursor moving with shift lock problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.